Gipalanga has a root word, langa, which means care or love. And prefix is gipa. Okay, so we are in another Bisaya section session. We are up for another conjugation of a verb for this lesson on langa or care or love. Let's go! But again, disclaimer, I'm no linguist, okay? My ideas are just from the perspective of a native Bisaya since birth, so please feel free to pause the video for the rest of the items. Here is a short conversation of a mom and his son, and in their casual chat, our word in focus has been mentioned in different forms. If you may, please pause this part of the video lesson and identify what are the conjugated forms of the word langa. In this slide, words in bold are the conjugated forms of langa. They are gipalanga or gipanga, palanggaon or panggaon, palanggaa or panggaa. But disclaimer, these are not the only forms of the word langa. There are several others in other aspects. Before we go in details on the conjugation, I would like to read this part of the video for those who are trying to practice listening words in Bisaya. Notice also the superscripts on certain words. This is to give you an idea of the Bisaya English translation. Si Juan ug ang iyahang mama. Juan, hugasi sa ang plato dito kaw. Sulti sa iyang mama. Ma, hiugasan naman ako ganihara. Tuwag ni Juan. Nagpakitang ipangga niya ang iyang mama ani nga binuhatan. But nimo, bisan pag unsay mahitabo, kinahanglan gyud nga palanggaon ko nimo. Isip imong mama. Panglaba po dayon ha. Ay, way problema ma. Pero palihog, palangga po taon ko. Atagi usudan mabe, maluoy ka. Nagkatawa lang ang iyang mama samtang nag-andam og pagkaon. We now come to one form of conjugation of langa, which is gipalanga. Gipanga. Gipalanga has a root word, langa, which means care or love. And prefix is gipa. Final form is gipalanga. By identifying the suffix, we can recognize that the verb formed is in the neutral causative aspect, which is an action that lasts only momentarily or is immediately completed but is caused by someone or something. Here is the instrumental focus and a factual mood. Another conjugation of our word for this lesson is palanggaon. Palanggaon has the root word still langa, with affix is pa, root word on. Final form, palanggaon. We note the affixes and we can pinpoint that the verb formed is in the neutral causative aspect, goal focus, and factual mood. Another variation of our word root for the day is palanggaa. Root word langga, care or love. Affix is pa and root and a. Here, so final form is palanggaa. We note again the affixes and we can single out that the verb formed is still in the neutral causative aspect, goal focus, but a factual mood. To conclude our lesson for today's content, please fill in the information needed in the table. If you can, make your own sentences using the words. And please comment in the comment section your answer or sentences created. Hoping to hear from you the soonest. Thank you and see you.